Hey guys, this is Cosmo. I'm gonna say hi, Cosmo. Yeah, do you want some flowers? Yeah, flowers. Yeah, it smells good. Yeah. Flowers? Whoa, sorry. Then, you want more? Sure. Sorry, I didn't know you were allergic to flowers. Sorry, do you want more? No, sure.